Hello students, today we are having a next video lecture which is the series of electromagnetic induction or effect of electric current. That is, next content is magnetic effect of electric current. What are the magnetic effect of electric current? That point we are going to discuss it right now. For that, magnetic effect produced by electric current is known as magnetic effect of electric current. As we all of know, current means what? The flow of charge per unit time. I is equal to q by t, that the formula is there, that we know very well. Q by t, charge per unit time, is known as current. Okay, in that, current always travel from positive terminal of battery to the negative terminal of battery. That is, we all of know. Next, in that case, what we can concluded, how the magnetic effect produces when the electricity start flowing in the circuit. For that, I am going to draw one magnetic needle over here, but before that I am going to write down one circuit over here, that is like this one, having a battery, and here I'll place one needle which is like this. This is the magnetic needle which is placed at the bottom. Next, having a two poles, south pole, north pole. Second, another same thing are there, but I have just changed the shift terminals. That is, where it is positive it becomes to negative, and where it is negative it becomes to positive. Okay, I have just changed the direction of the battery or the cell potential of the battery. Afterwards, what happened? Here come negative, here come positive. Below that, again I place one needle. Okay, here we place the magnetic needle having the same polarity, that is south pole and the north pole. Okay, now what we are going to do this, we are just going to apply the current across the connector. For that, I have just started here the flow of current, the net flow of current I have started, and when the current start flow, at that time what happens is this magnetic needle start deflecting, because of when electrons start moving. As we all know, magnet has the tendency to attract the material, as well as it has again tendency to repel the material. Especially magnets are made by a positively charged particles. In that magnet, two poles are there, south pole, north pole, in which all the poles are, we can say, positive and negative too. So in that case, what happened here, positive terminal or the north pole get attract toward the circuit. It will be attract toward the circuit, and your circuit becomes like this. Whenever you start the flow, your circuit becomes like this. And in this case also, when you start the flow of current, so magnetic needle again start deflecting, and the position of the magnetic needle is exactly like this, like this. Why so these things happen? Because of magnet start attracting itself toward the negative terminal of the battery, from where the electrons start flow. Electrons flows from negative terminal of the battery toward the positive terminal, and they shows the deflection whether the current will flow, which means current carry conductor creates a magnetic field. What we can say over here, that is current carrying conductor, current carry conductor experience magnetic field. Magnetic field, that is the that is the magnetic effect of electric current which is produced because of the flow of charge. Okay, अभी इसी कंसेप्ट को हम लोग एनिमेशन में देखते हैं कि एग्जैक्टली ये कैसे होता है. इससे बेटर आप एनिमेशन में आपको और इससे बेटर रूप से समझ में आ जाएगा. Animation explanation. As we know, students, when we start the flow of electricity, the electrons flow from negative terminal and the current start flow from the positive terminal. When the current start flow through the conductor, at that time magnetic field is generated. These things we have explained. These things, the explanation of these things is Andre Marie Ampere. That's what the SI unit of current is ampere, and the constructive phenomenon which is introduced कि करंट होता क्या है, कैसे मतलब उसके एक्सपीरियंस क्या होते हैं। ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वाला तो हांस क्रिस्टियन ओरस्टेड ने हम लोगों को बताया था, लेकिन एंड्रे मायर एम्पियर ने क्या किया था, हम लोगों को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के फेनोमेनन के बारे में हम लोगों को बताया था। उन्हीं ने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बेसिक कंस्ट्रक्शन हम लोगों को सिखाया था, जिस वजह से अब हीटिंग इफेक्ट या फिर मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट के लिए क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग कि एक फोर्स ऑन अ करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर is experience a magnetic field. For that we take a particular conducting material made by mostly made by iron article or those article which are the good conductor of electricity. In that we place this iron article inside the horseshoe magnet having two poles, different polarities, that is south pole and north pole. South pole as you can see, and remaining the north pole as you can see the downside. When we connect these two terminals across the potential difference or throughout the across a current carry coil, which means we have to supply the current through this setup. For that we place two different terminals to the two different connections. From A is connected to negative terminal while B is connected to the positive terminal. Current start flow, as you can see current will flow from positive terminal to negative terminal throughout the material. यहाँ पे अब आपको याद होगा कि यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल ही क्यों लिया। अगर हमने नॉन कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल लिया होता तो यहाँ पे सर्किट कंप्लीट होती क्या बच्चों? ऑब्वियसली सर्किट कंप्लीट नहीं होती, और अगर सर्किट कंप्लीट नहीं होती तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाता था, करंट स्टॉप हो जाता था, फोर्स स्टॉप हो जाती थी. दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव टेकन इन दिस experiment or the setup of this experiment. We have taken a current carry conductor in which what we have done, we have started the magnetic field. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या हुआ, इनिशियल फेज में क्या हुआ था, इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से थ्रू आउट द कंडक्टर थ्रू आउट कहाँ गए थे, टुवर्ड द नेगेटिव टर्मिनल. कौन गया था, चार्ज गया था. एंड नेगेटिव टर्मिनल से पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल की तरफ कौन गया था, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. अब सेकेंड फेज में जब हम लोगों ने इसको कनेक्ट किया तो इसने वाइस वर्सा प्रोसेस शो किया. ये वाइस वर्सा प्रोसेस क्यों शो हो रहा है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो मैग्नेट है वो भी अपनी पोलैरिटी चेंज कर रहा है ड्यू टू करंट. उसके अंदर से करंट फ्लो हुआ, इस वजह से इसने अपनी पोलैरिटी चेंज करी. जैसे अभी करंट फिर से फ्लो हो रहा है, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द फोर्स ऑन द कंडक्टर डिपेंड अपॉन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द करंट and the direction of magnetic field, in which what we can say, the direction of force which is generated due to the magnet is totally dependent on the direction of flow of current, whether current flows from right to left or left to right. For that, next experimental explanation is also there. For that, we have started connection. In that connection, we place horseshoe magnet having two different poles, south pole, north pole, in which we have connected these two poles, these two terminals to the battery having two poles, means two charges, positive charges and negative charges, as you can see. With the help of right hand rule, Fleming's left hand rule, Fleming's left hand rule, I will explain you in next video lecture. But for this constructive phenomenon, Fleming's left hand rule state that stretch the thumb, index finger indicates the direction of force and the middle finger indicates the direction of current. Thumb indicate the force on the conductor. Okay, so in which what we can say, the index finger shows the direction of field, magnetic field, the direction of magnetic field is shown by index finger. By middle finger it shows the direction of current which is flow throughout the circuit, and thumb indicates the adjusting force which the conductor experience. कंडक्टर कौन सी फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है, ये हम लोगों को यहाँ पे थंब के ज़रिए दिखाई दे रहा है. नेक्स्ट, जैसे ही अब ये फेनोमेनन हम लोग कहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं, तो फॉर योर काइंड इन्फॉर्मेशन, दिस फेनोमेनन यूज्ड इन डीसी मोटर. In market, various type of motors are available: AC motor, DC motor, generator. Especially generator and motor is included in our syllabus. That's what we are going to discuss about this two. Generator generate the electricity and motor convert the electrical energy into mechanical energy, as you can see over here example as a fan. When we start the button, at that time electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy, which mechanical energy is converted into wind. Inside that we are able to see the armature. The rotating disc having a black and golden coil is nothing but the armature. Second, hand blenders is also one type of example of motor, because it also start rotating. Now we are going to discuss about electric motor, that how electric current carry conductor experience a force, that is magnetic force in the motor. For that we have taken one electric motor. Here we have taken electric motor, not traction motor. Traction motor is basically used in Indian railways or mostly in railway locomotive. When we demonstrate this motor, when we open this motor, so we will able to see there were two magnets having opposite polarity, south magnet, south pole, north magnet, north pole. When we placed a armature inside it having four different chambers A, B, C, D, this is the armature coil which is placed inside the magnets. As you can see in the video, we have placed an armature inside the magnet. Now we know very well magnetic field travel from north pole to south pole, and when it start travel from south pole to north pole to south pole, armature start rotating. The axis of rotation of the coil is shown here, which is in circular path. We are able to see a circular path of the armature. The armature is connected to the two split rings commutator, which is also known as commutator or split ring commutator. Why so split ring? Because it is split up into two parts having S1 and S2 as shown in the figure. S1 and S2 are the split ring commutator which are connected both the armature ends towards each other inside it. Next, axial, we have fixed the axial to complete the mechanism, that is rotation. For rotation we have to place armature. Inside that armature two brushes are fit, B1 and B2, as shown in the figure. B1 and B2 are the two brush which are exactly located over the split ring commutator. When we connected this brush throughout split ring commutator, throughout battery having poles positive and negative terminal, then current start flow. As we all know, when we connected two ends to the battery, when circuit is completed, electrons start flowing from A, B, C, D. The direction of flow of electricity or electron is A, B, C, D. Hence, when current start flowing throughout the coil from A to B, B to C, C to D, at that time the direction of current, because of this we are applying here Fleming's left hand rule. AB having experience a force which is downward side and CD experience a force which is upside. Because of this upside and downside forces which are exactly opposite to each other, here the split ring commutator with the help of armature start rotating, in which what happen, that is, first of all, when we apply the Fleming's left hand rule, we know very well that is force at on CD side is upward and the force at on AB side is downward. That is what AB armature coil goes downward and CD goes upward, and the position changes, where initial position is A, B, C, D. Now the final position is D, C, B, A, as you are able to see in the figure. When again now current start flow from D to C side, C to B side, B to A side, again throughout the circle one circuit is completed. And when one circuit is completed, now again CD experience the electricity start flowing, and in which again DC and BA, two different sides of armature, experience force. This force of conductor which are apply on the armature moves split ring commutator or armature towards downside and AB towards upside, which is again complete one rotation, that is in the anti-clockwise sense or clockwise sense. dependent on the direction of flow of current. CD side goes downside, DC side goes downside and AB side goes upside, and hence it complete its rotation. I hope you understand this phenomena. If you have any doubt, so ask me in the comment box. Otherwise, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.